This video is going to be a bit of a rant on the types of prospecting emails that I can't stand. I hope that my rant actually helps you, though, to write better prospecting emails if that's what you do to try and generate business and prospects and qualified leads. Stay tuned. I don't know what it is about 2023, but the amount of prospecting emails I'm getting in my inbox is exploding. Today, I believe I received about 6 or 7. And that seems to be happening almost every day, where I'm getting more email from people I don't know trying to sell me something versus email from clients, vendors, contractors, employees, etc. It's pretty bad. And here's the problem. The more email that prospects receive, the less likely they are to open any of them because we're busy, right? We're busy. We have lots of work to do. We don't have time to read through lots of email from strangers trying to sell us something. So we're going to be really picky about the type of email that we open. Here's one email that I just do not open at all when it has the subject line, quick question. I am surprised in 2023 how many quick question emails I'm still getting. Do you know what that subject line says? I'm a salesperson. It doesn't say I'm a client. It doesn't say I'm an employee. It doesn't say I'm a vendor. It doesn't say I'm a prospective client. It just says one thing, salesperson with no creativity, trying to somehow desperately get your attention with one of the worst subject lines ever. I don't have time to answer a quick question from a stranger who's trying to sell me something. How is that email subject line supposed to get anybody's attention? How is it supposed to intrigue anyone? Here's an email that I received that actually did intrigue me as a contrast. Found you on Twitter. Why is found you on Twitter better than quick question? It's because that could be from a prospective client for me. People find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, through a Google search, and then they let me know what their situation is, and we can assess whether we're a fit for each other and we might end up meeting together. So found you on Twitter is going to get my attention 10 times more often than quick question. Now, it was a sales message, but what I liked about it is that it was straightforward. It didn't say all kinds of just baloney. It just said, this is what we do, and this is why we might be able to help you. If you're interested and you have budget for this area of marketing, then you would be qualified. If you don't have budget, don't bother responding. Have a great day. That's the kind of email that I have time to look at, evaluate, and respond to or not. Does that make sense? Send straightforward email. I'm also getting lots of emails with like favor for you or something, a gift for you. And these are messages where someone has done something that I've not asked for, such as a website audit or writing me an email sequence. And they've just done it for me as a favor and they want to share it with me. And most of the time, it's from an email address not attached to a company. I'm skeptical of any email that I receive from someone who's not attached to a company that I can't look up. So if you are a freelancer and you're trying to generate freelance business for yourself, set up a company, create a website, help people to figure out who you are. Because oftentimes the prospect may be intrigued by your message, but they're going to go check you out first before they're going to respond to you to determine if you're legitimate or not. I've done that many times. And I don't click through the email because I don't want you knowing that I clicked on a link in your email. I go to Google and I look up the company name and then see if there's a website. There have been times where I've received email, I've gone and checked out the company name. I remember one in particular. There were many pages that weren't even done on the website. And I thought, I don't think this company can really help me with my marketing if they can't even complete their website. So I just ignored the message. People are going to check you out. Be ready. Have a company name. Be straightforward with your offer. Qualify or disqualify the person who's received the email. Let them know what you can do for them. And be genuine about it. Don't make stuff up. Don't hype stuff up. Be genuine. And you're more likely to get a response. And if someone's going to check you out, make sure that you actually do have a completed LinkedIn profile. If you're an individual, make sure that the company website doesn't have bad content on it or pages that won't load or pages that aren't done. Look legitimate. Look bona fide. Look like someone who's doing business with companies like mine. I hope this helps you to write better emails this year, because sending email to strangers is a really difficult strategy. And it can only work if you are somewhat genuine and truthful and not using horrible subject lines like quick question or favor for you. Another one that I don't like is messages I get on LinkedIn saying, I noticed you're a coach. I've been a coach for 14 years. You just noticed that I'm a coach? And then it follows with, how's it going for you? Or what are your plans for the business this year? What kind of people do you work with? I'm not going to answer those questions. All of those questions could be answered by reviewing my website or actually reading my LinkedIn profile beyond just the initial top part of it, right? Do your homework before you contact people. I know this doesn't sound like it's new content for 2023, but I'm still seeing salespeople make the same mistakes this year as they did last year and the year before that and the year before that. So if you don't do your homework, you don't get creative, and you don't become more truthful with the messages that you send, you're going to get the same poor response this year as in years past. I hope this helps. If you're interested in learning more about my sales training and coaching, visit my website, buildandbalance.com. If you'd like to learn more about the new online sales course that I've released that is guaranteed to increase your sales this year, or you can ask for your money back, all of it, take a look at that course. There should be a link below. And if you just have questions, email me at michael@buildandbalance.com. But please, don't say quick question. All right? Best wishes to you.